Exploring the wonders of Sri Lanka, a visual journey. Welcome to Sri Lanka, a land of vibrant culture, rich history, and natural splendor. Join us on a mesmerizing journey as we uncover the many wonders of this tropical paradise.
Venture into the heart of Sri Lanka's wilderness and discover a world teeming with life. Here, majestic elephants roam freely in protected national parks, while elusive leopards prowl amidst dense jungle foliage. Birdwatchers will delight in the vibrant plumage of endemic species, while marine enthusiasts can marvel at the majestic whales and playful dolphins that grace the island's shores. Relax and unwind on Sri Lanka's pristine beaches, where azure waters beckon and sun-kissed sands offer the perfect escape. Whether you're seeking thrilling water sports or simply yearning for a tranquil sunset stroll, the island's coastline promises endless opportunities for rejuvenation and blissful moments of serenity. From its vibrant culture to its breathtaking landscapes, Sri Lanka is a destination like no other. Come, embark on your own adventure and discover the enchanting beauty of this island paradise. As Sri Lanka celebrates its 76th year of independence, the world is invited to experience the unparalleled beauty and warmth of this enchanting island nation. In a remarkable testament to its rapid rise in tourism, Sri Lanka has garnered high praise from esteemed figures, including India's finance minister, Mr. Sharma, who wholeheartedly recommends it as the ultimate vacation destination. From the bustling streets of Colombo to the ancient wonders of Polonnaruwa, Sri Lanka captivates visitors with its rich tapestry of culture and history. Explore ancient temples, wander through colorful markets, and immerse yourself in the rhythm of everyday life as you discover the soul of this captivating island. But it's not just the culture that draws travelers to Sri Lanka. It's also the breathtaking natural beauty that leaves visitors spellbound. Trek through misty tea plantations, encounter majestic elephants in their natural habitat, or simply unwind on palm-fringed beaches lapped by crystal-clear waters. In Sri Lanka, every corner reveals a new marvel waiting to be explored. Perhaps the greatest treasure of Sri Lanka is its people. Known for their warmth, hospitality, and genuine kindness, Sri Lankans welcome visitors with open arms, inviting them to experience the true essence of island life. Whether sharing a cup of aromatic Ceylon tea or partaking in traditional festivities, every interaction in Sri Lanka leaves a lasting impression. As Sri Lanka commemorates 76 years of independence, it stands as a beacon of resilience, diversity, and endless possibility.